Tired of spending hours digging for leads that go nowhere? Let's unlock the power of Seamless AI and transform your sales process in under 90 seconds. First, head over to seamless.ai and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your details, like name, email, and company information. They'll send you a verification email, so be sure to confirm your account. Once you're logged in, the magic begins. See that search bar. This is where you'll find your ideal prospects. Let's say you're targeting marketing managers in the tech industry in California. Simply select those filters from the drop-down menus: industry, location, and job title. Boom! Seamless AI instantly generates a list of relevant leads complete with their verified email addresses, phone numbers, and even company information. You can review each profile, seeing their current role, company, and even past experiences. Now, for the real-time saver, Seamless AI seamlessly integrates with your favorite CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and many others. Just navigate to the Integrations tab in Settings and connect your CRM with a few clicks. This allows you to automatically push lead data directly into your CRM, eliminating manual data entry and ensuring all your sales information is in one place. By using Seamless AI to automate your lead generation and integrate seamlessly with your CRM, you'll be well on your way to improved efficiency, better sales outcomes, and more time to close those deals. Start your free trial today. Say goodbye to cold calling and hello to qualified leads. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more sales and marketing tips.